The story of modern air combat has always revolved around speed, range, and reaction time. And in 2026, the AIM-260 JATM, also known as the Joint Advanced Tactical Missile, is rewriting everything we knew about beyond visual range warfare. Today, we're diving deep into the latest 2026 upgrade of the AIM-260, the missile that many experts are calling the true successor to the AMRAAM and the United States' most advanced air-to-air weapon ever created. This is the missile shaping the next decade of aerial dominance. The AIM-260 has been in development for several years, but the 2026 version represents the biggest leap forward in its technology. Designed to counter rapidly evolving threats, especially long-range missiles from rival nations, the JATM upgrade focuses heavily on range, electronic warfare resistance, and smart tracking intelligence. Unlike older systems, the AIM-260 isn't just about hitting a target, it's about outsmarting it. One of the most impressive aspects of the 2026 JATM is its extended engagement distance. While official numbers remain classified, analysts estimate that this missile far surpasses the range of the AIM-120 AMRAAM. That means pilots can launch earlier, engage farther, and maintain safety while eliminating threats at distances previously impossible. In modern air combat, the aircraft that fires first usually wins, and the AIM-260 gives American fighters a massive advantage. Powering this incredible range is a completely redesigned propulsion system. The 2026 upgrade introduces a high-energy solid fuel motor paired with optimized burn sequencing. Instead of dumping all its power early, the missile now manages thrust more intelligently across its flight path. This allows it to conserve energy while cruising and then unleash maximum speed in the last phase of the engagement. By the time it reaches its target, the missile is traveling at extreme velocities that make evasion nearly impossible. But raw speed is only part of the story. The real magic is in the missile's guidance system. The AIM-260 now integrates a next-generation multi-mode seeker. This seeker combines active radar, passive tracking, and advanced digital signal processing. In simple terms, it means the missile can lock onto targets even in the most contested electronic warfare environments. Modern fighters use jammers, decoys, and low observable technology to avoid detection, but the 2026 JATM is built specifically to defeat these countermeasures. The missile also benefits from an upgraded artificial intelligence engine. This doesn't mean the missile thinks on its own, but it does mean it can analyze target movements, predict evasive patterns, and make micro-adjustments in flight with extreme precision. When an enemy fighter tries to turn, dive, or break away, the AIM-260 constantly recalculates the most likely escape path and adjusts accordingly. The result is a missile with a dramatically higher kill probability. The 2026 JATM is to just about engaging fast fighters, it is also an answer to stealth aircraft challenges. Modern jets like the J-20 and Su-57 are designed to reduce radar signatures, making it harder for traditional missiles to maintain lock. But the latest AIM-260 upgrade includes enhanced low observable detection algorithms, enabling it to track stealthier aircraft better than any missile before it. Another area of major improvement is network connectivity. The 2026 AIM-260 is fully compatible with advanced data link systems. Fighters like the F-22, F-35, and the upcoming NGAD can share real-time missile guidance data between aircraft. This means a pilot who fires the missile doesn't need to maintain radar lock the whole time. Another jet or even a drone can take over target guidance. This opens up new tactics where missiles can be launched from safer distances, redirected mid-flight, or even retasked to new threats. In an era of drone warfare and multi-domain operations, this level of flexibility is game-changing. It's not just fighter jets benefiting from this upgrade. The AIM-260 is expected to integrate with a wider network of platforms. Unmanned combat air vehicles, known as loyal wingman drones, will be able to carry and launch this missile in the future. That means high-risk missions no longer need to rely on manned aircraft. The 2026 upgrade was designed with long-term adaptability in mind, preparing the missile for platforms that haven't even entered service yet. Physically, the missile maintains a familiar form factor similar to the AMRAAM, allowing it to fit inside internal weapons bays of stealth aircraft. This is a crucial detail because stealth fighters rely on internal storage to maintain low radar visibility. The JATM's size makes it ideal for F-35s and F-22s to carry multiple units without sacrificing stealth. Survivability is another key enhancement in the 2026 model. The missile's internal electronics are shielded to resist electronic and electromagnetic interference, including advanced jamming techniques designed to blind incoming weapons. New cooling systems and reinforced casing materials help the missile endure extreme temperatures and high-G maneuvers during pursuit. Another important upgrade is its terminal engagement ability. As the missile closes in on the target, it switches to an aggressive endgame phase. This phase activates high-agility controls that allow the missile to perform sharp turns at extremely high speed, making last-second dodging almost impossible. Whether the target is a fighter jet, a cruise missile, or a high-speed drone, the AIM-260 can execute maneuvering attacks that older missiles could never achieve. Pilots who have trained with early versions of the AIM-260 have praised its reliability. They describe it as a weapon that provides confidence during dangerous missions, knowing that it can track, chase, and destroy threats at long ranges, even when facing high-tech opponents. As air forces worldwide push towards sixth-generation combat, weapons like this provide the crucial edge. The 2026 upgrade also makes the missile more maintainable. Many components are modular, allowing technicians to replace or update parts quickly without needing full system overhauls. This ensures the missile stays combat-ready and reduces long-term operation costs. By the end of 2026, the AIM-260 JATM is expected to become the primary long-range missile for American fighters. It represents the future of air combat: fast, intelligent, stealth-capable, and extremely adaptable. Every upgrade introduced this year pushes the boundaries of what a missile can do, and for many defense analysts, it's clear. This weapon is now the centerpiece of aerial superiority for years to come. In a world where battles are decided before pilots even see the enemy, the 2026 AIM-260 JATM is not just an improvement, it's a revolution in long-range missile technology. And with each upgrade, the skies become a battlefield where only the most advanced systems survive.